Hi everyone, welcome to Veronika Hug. Today I have a new project to show you, so stay tuned. Today I'll show you the Basketweave. It's a compact, sturdy pattern and it resembles a basket. That's where the name comes from. So when you start, you do just one row in the simple stitch and that's where you start the pattern. So after you do the simple stitch beginning row, so just a regular thing you would always do in Tunisian crocheting, then you do a stitch from the back here like this. And go in from the front, take the loop out. So with simple stitch you would go here, but this time we are going in from the front and from the back interchangeably. After a bit of practice, it actually gets pretty easy, so you just need to get used to it, but it is a really simple pattern to do, and I think the result you get is also pretty interesting and unique. At the end, you don't do a new chain. So here on the bottom, I did do that and you see that it doesn't look as good. So on the top, I stopped and it looks much neater. So make sure to skip that. And then simply go back just like you would always do in Tunisian crocheting. So a pretty compact pattern. I could see a nice cushion in this style or anything else for that matter, but it is a bit more stable than what we usually do. So now let's start again, once from the front and once from the back. At the end, the thread goes through and you start with the back row. So that's all. Have fun with the project.